Understanding cell range. A group of selected cells is called a range. The selected cells should be in continuation to form a range. When a range is selected in a worksheet, a regular shape is formed. We can use a cell range to perform a calculation on multiple cells. The address of a range is created by using the starting and ending cell addresses separated by a colon sign. For example, if we have selected the cells from B2 to E3, then the address of the range will be B2 colon E3. Selecting a range in a worksheet. We can select a range by using the mouse and by using the Shift key. By using the mouse. To select a range by using the mouse, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the first cell from which you want to start the range. 2. Drag and drop the left mouse button to select the desired range. By using the Shift key. To select a range by using the Shift key, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the first cell from which you want to start the range. 2. Press and hold the Shift key and click on the last cell up to which you want to make the selection. When the Shift key is released, the range gets selected. Naming a cell range. Excel allows us to assign a name to a cell range. This name can be used in place of cell address in formulas. To assign a name to a cell range, follow the given steps. 1. Select the range of cells to which you want to assign a name. 2. Click on the Formulas tab. 3. Click on the Define Name command. 4. Type the name. 5. Click on the OK button. Now, we can use this name in place of the cell address in formulas.